enti you can say sa we no salary na omuje no ekowie hospital say you know. Then January it was restored back.
There be train. January se buy 5 months no. Bank no na control into sika ne mfa ma wom say koje. Anase neba but 5 months ni de obi ka say or the year no one chop money. Anase 5 months no school ni ka say alubadek teacher ni no or maybe MT ye project bi e wo ho. E ba ne sen e na restore just like that view.
Maybe some say dent na salary no call off no. They say validation issues.
25 months normally have validation.
And a whole nominal dear from information Zaminan said during that time the regional director was much concerned on the restoration of the salary.
Okay.
Until January next year, I realized Nini Bibia by loans for an so a J. And even before and some loans were deducting directly from my bank account. And they have been over deducting ever since because of that interruption. And then in can be too more because I realized
Minsa kakra tebi ifi ababa we bia see friend na ifi wasan so wo na ye na address the abroad for GES ne how ne say
it got to a time na you can say me update you omo is me ka say ma me ne ba ha ya me yesa me the chief director ne number man no na ka oni o ma coordinate. She told me say oh papa ne number until I shouldn't worry.
Okay.
But I saw it said she's pulling herself away from coordinating with the people.
Okay.
And ever since then we contacted papa no. Until me na me say was say me a omo masoma me a we ato me no me na was say me san update you omo say ni say na e den eko. They say they don't care whether who better one answer on to. Enti HR no frame me say omo pese omo transfer me every regional office wo eba hai. And na
ni hefa
Eastern region.
Okay.
Said the be normal classroom.
Okay.
And I told him say me because it looks like say they are unconcerned about
be anywhere for me.
It may be say damn pacho intin keye wa and kebeya would they say uye juma now go through this situation and all you keep saying say bring this and or they ma we menene can we he couldn't answer me because obvious say any sensible thinking personality who has abadayo in him will find the only answer say they should have been more caring to the situation. Into no one to me no they my PRO said PRO and I asked the PRO the same question. And prior to that conversation, now they were demanding for a new medical report. And I'm afraid, me catch them said now, there was at a point I should write for compensation. And in the compensation, they were demanding for doctor's report. And I'm afraid Dr. Na initially he operated on me. And he told them that he can't write anything on his own because now there is a board of 5 specialists that are working on it. So until said the doctors meet, he personally cannot write anything on it.
Okay.
Until me catch HR and said, this is the conversation now. Until I have to call them and see said what is the way forward because on my during that report I come abino. Until ebi as a report no be that file so I be on HR and say auditor say how until say report about it will help situations. Until me free HR no administrator no our can board ni hu bi no ana o ma me ye we ya can say me letter na former director general of health Intimate metro letter no na Director General of Health response it will decline here and or say they can't release medical reports to third parties like that because it's a sensitive report. And see mema administrator na or you the Ministry of Health no efre you can say HR no was and so we explain issues man. After our conversation no, he told me say he's surprised say HR no has took that position into onukra na opinion said they should rather be collaborating with me rather than say yeah me demands say fawe bra no. After 2 weeks time and minya information be about how process na economy me relay amomo ti many HR ne kasa in 30 minutes time one of friend say we na medical reports na say me fambra no me fambra na man famba dia ebe hadwe and that is where me catch them say inti the omo kano ebe boa there because with this situation you want me to come back to the classroom which is not what helpful. So the other ma PRO no so I told him the same thing said they are not being fair with me.
Okay.
The next day enyumremo ho na maame no de obo ni din Ivy no friend me say me ne HR ne PRO ne me kasae na the way na me ne o kasae no man kasae na I am much aware say me de nkwala ne ko trip no I know it say me manje permission. So I was very calm with her and after making a submission and bisa and say ma he fana me de nkwala ne ko ya manje permission or see em fast and when I'm say that you've made a wide allegation and I have to substantiate. And or say me pet no kre wo mu amemfa ka enye den embra ho no kre ni and I'm say we twan tragu me so that with letters ne sa asem na wo kan wa twa ho letters nti me record na e wo ho aye evidence meet me de amamo.
Okay.
Enti owie ya no ne krakra ne say akiri ko san be admit say yemfa ne say meje permission 6 months leave no me de maame no aso enti they can't validate me again na wa no kate call
nti aso no say bra back to the classroom and now one body say we do medical report me
aba you can say
Eastern region
no and who say if a Director General of Health catch said they can't provide it just like to me just a third party like that but they as a office or ministry have to write to them formally or catch HR no and even at the end or some catch HR and said the omo no enye they should rather be collaborating. And it was surprising say HR after advice no the amo they came back and say Mensan provided medical reports when they know very well say mine amo procedure and some of the audio ni ma woman ka say they can't go and pay anything. Now ma after that I called the former headmaster who is now on pension. He can testify on my behalf. The director of education then at the municipal can testify. The director at the regional office can testify that I took permission. I wrote letters to them and they gave me permission. Understand, how can you take school car from Wenchi Secondary School and embark on a 3-day trip, not within the vicinity, but to a different region, which is Upper East, on 3 days without permission? How possible is it?
Say 3 days.
House masters are releasing students. How would it be if there was no? Enti ne tofa bomu nyina ne say no education people in summary they have not done anything a bit of emwa emameda
Eya wo yase wo ye teacher ni.
This time and there me ya papa. And say me tia si me wo fa ase ana me mabi daachi ebe di teacher de ani ensi.
Oh.
Ensi. E wo Ghana hai. Kanyame nkume. Say ensesa no mamu a. And maame no me pese me ka asem bi kire ne say onsua Barbara Otinjesi. Barbara kunu ene na busuafo obi ahobrase ewe ne mu onsua no.
Letter Daniel Lubadek eka ho asemi 6 June 2022 ya na yetro krata ne de bre no. Letter no so date ne de 6 June 2022 no tro ye.
Ba me Monday on the 20th.
20th but no tro ye na enye da wo nsa kan. Ma me ne tro ne 6 June. Edin a ewo so eno no na wo hwe ewo Angel TV so eno no. Nti letter no enie me giri so ultimate kan a wo be kan ne fefefe. Nti wo tro de aba se onfa ne medical report mra me kire se ane Ivy Asantewa Owusu acting regional director run a half we bono region and our copy the director general GES headquarters Accra and our copy the head legal unit GES no kan nyina ne say letter no wamanya de abre no nyame ya adoma se wantimi amfa ne medical report no amadia ene eju na wie ye ko no mo na nso da yese ne sika beba sika ne beba etojima dani ye wiem ye nkomobo no afe ne efam ani aye baaye no ye hu se wosisi esane aba ne nyina anya dwuma saa bre ne kura ka che ya rehosem esukura piem sesebi obe makura nso na anya dwuma sese etesen ebo adwuma kakra say ebo adwuma oh David no ka say memere obi o ka say memere obi and I just say dey asem na yekesi o kwa na ni kofi and I just amope na David na ya ho say ya akira dey wa onu ba ye nche
I akira so am feel you
any obaya we dey anyam nam kan yo anyam nam kan o say o feel you rough but actually kun wan we obaya wa do enti say dey ebo adwuma ebo adwuma pa wakọ hospital ma doctors a catch us ebo adwuma na say o get na wa fafie na
the practicals na
enti o say practicals na but say won na yet saying because mini odo nsaka
o ka say ya me apa
ti o fele say nsaka ti say o fele say nsaka mimia online na yo ya eyo ya pinsu ba wa utimi peja utimi maso wow emu nso ayedu emu ayedu du oh okay mienu ni nyina dani asemben na abeka eya reho se ene teacher ni mapa I think that last year any akira ye buy wa kan say ga teacher adwuma ne de da wakoma so but ene die wo se wo ba wo fast wunu akora ka so be di teacher ni a ahwe ya betwa na su ebi nsida
the Americans say I'm a committed personality.
Yeah.
At the point I buy cracker say my enya classes. Your headmaster no Mr. Foster Boatin or ye ubi a nearby canon or the year juma. And he also made it clear some more behind ye. Me pen kwalana sem na me hu baby a no madunti. Headmaster near said the way out and say yen share letter and met to say ye new on classes at no fee. I have to do that.
Okay.
Me sorry ahomachi my days always begins from my teaching days begins from 5. And then kwala for classes. No ma pon anajo 5.
Wow. 5 to 5.
5 to 5. In so tokra na minamu. And the teachers in Wanchi Secondary School can bear me out. There is no activity that will go on in the campus that I'm not part. Me kumi homa jumano. And na yebech assemble to me say even remember on my holidays krana me kon kraya menampo so a na mesesa ye kan say was more yenyina enim said the Ghana po after ye kan say Independence Square one day said the okwa sebi said the hotie na me de mensa ne nam fomo sesa normal
no shells
no said the Maria me de ba kwa kire nkwala de I had an office there is and it's very difficult to find a geography was not what I was meant to teach, but because of the inadequacy in it, I have to sacrifice and help.
Wow.
My HOD maths department was telling me he was not happy with me. Oko officer na omde amamia oko and more rocks you could see rock be anoma training and it's hard for a master me spending misika na data media download how eruptions occurs and the other videos. Then I have to go and project to the students at the cost that I'm bearing. Now after doing this, now if you will not help the students, now you not help the teacher, now put more burdens on the teacher, you will come to a conclusion say teaching is not worth engaging in it. So why should you allow your children or your nephew or nieces to go into it when as MCA they will treat him in the same faith? That one, Nyametia see the member beings.
That one Nyametia see the Oma Ebi NC Daniel Alubadek enono. Daniel the uncommon ebeye. Assemble na be kache wahwefo, assemble na be kache Ghana fo nyina Ministry of Health, Ghana Education Services, say GES for there. Omo kache o say hwie be June ye wieye. So medical reports na yes so sensitive. Confidential ye ntimi release no ne atie bia no just o man kasa ntro krat amfa nko a omo so let a party emto brofo asan nti omo ntimi ntro nko no amaso na yes efi June ending you are no more a teacher. Then na beka e dey akire Ghana for
and then we catch a man for say me do mass ne supporter in that way so say me ka say me kan ade be say ye ntimi nko ebi ma boa Minister of Health, Mr. Nkuma, Madam Teresa, Dr. Kaba, Dr. Bellu, they've been very helpful and they understand the situation very much. Medoma se, Mr. Obri, Viere, Medana se, any adore. And going forward, no, I'll be needing their help financially and emotionally, or motivational wise. I'll be needing their help. And he said, Mwabiba, a bit me aboa me say I'll restore back to my previous he said me call for treatment na any cushion it will be welcome. Na me sign amana to GS for especially the HR and the director, he said to them they've done well and they mean well for me and I'm being appreciative. Enti nyame mu no mi hira de omaya ama me no mi hira so ama omabusuane the next generation.
Dua boy abem.
Sister ama o say they have helped me. Enti say me dase. Enti me dase mu no mi hira so ama omo. Say
Ben hira bi o ya na ya dua bo.
Da bi. O say omaboa me. Enti
nti wa o hwe na say o mmoa enso de anu afa.
I have to appreciate it say ultimate try ade a NC da ene ebi nto ne wafefo omane wasefo nti mihira emwa na omde ama me no mihira so ama omo times 100
asam na ekese Daniel Alubadek inshira no ba inshira we question mark wo ho nti wa hwe na se wa try later bi na enhye da nkonye sa pa na inshira we o hwe na abaji atum times 100 nso dia na esenti Daniel Alubadek na ene na bonkomo but asem ni si ye no ne maame yensem obatan a wawo mamu enum be ma ba akopɛ ncha anka obewo no wato na bedin enei brana eti akonwam yi o se de obo adwuma nkakra ai ende ye da nyame ase wo but ma yenko na ye ne Daniel Alubadek maame eni nkomo ne nanfo bi a very 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 supportive omo a ade echi ade esebia no obeba na omugina efie ene ne bon komo awe chechire ewo nipa ho ye ko Daniel Alubadek maame eho na yene no akwakodi enkomo ne abisa no last time aye bai na enkoko bebre ewo ha ye hwe sede etie na yene no edi nkomo na ye bisa sede etie fefe kama ye bai ne edika na ne maame kire se adwonwo ena oye adwonwo mo matena kurase da muni adwonwo na maami ye no enkakran de hwe ne mai ni nua baba akwa that time ye beto na no pamade o se me bra how itu na manie itu na obetena afie no madwuma sei wo wo hwa ne afro ye so bra se bi wakọ agana agu ni hu ye so ba na behwe no ene ade bebre ne maami ewa ha ye kọ serious student bi nso esuade bra ayiko weye omampani yellow preni bia na weye so no weye Obama de ni bia na weye hwan de na adre o drama hwan agufo adodo akọ trip so aha nti we serious student ba akọ dry low pre nti we say omampani on she dan you so me pacho maintenance kakra wadaroma aha but still dry low pre me we no adre we bia ye kwa na ye de ko mame na pom te say ohu ye pa umuyo ya aden na umuyo ya adwendwen den na wo dwen awo de da ososo ye nche eden na da oso
ya mene da so no me ba ya le misale ka no so na baby ana menso na efiri da ho no hunde men ka na ma adwendwen tambia na me ya ne na sa kwa me ko se ti me ti me ndampo
oh ya baha last year afi ene bosomi enum nie mpenifo abefa no de nakọ ya research se say senate ni mpagya ye mu first de na me nimse gisa mu ana mu pagya no na je obekọ agyanan obedware no mu ade se say situation at sen abrabo ne te sen ofie
ya so Sunday so antimen sorum pien ko bebia ne de afa ne sanka no hato no osara gina ne nanso de na da nyame asese ne ya do to da hye dem de men egusu bono mpa se onya yarsa
ekwan be na afa so hwe enkwala no o maye nan enum wo nananom kora ka ho mo ye den na mo didi
ndi asinya mena hwane pa te kakra ya ni fo ya fo ni we nya bia ne kakra ne nuwa ne ya paso ya kakra
na ni nro Daniel enro to onu obekọ hospital obekọ aba senate oni ye ndi nkomo
aka sinya mia anda fo na boboan kala bia ya le na ma ba peja no ko
na ya wo timi peja no
ntimi ni ahodi
debi nti se ne namfofo ni ni hwa na ofro tie mu frɛ wa wo ye ne den
ayi me bra baba ko school no na o ha no no saboa
ese adwuma be na wo ye
nya
adwuma bia ye ba bribi no na ache so ye adwonwo sese no kura wagya ya hodin ni ho hodin ni ho eda adesrede na ade beto mpanifo anim
srede mesra mo hu na wobo na mo enfa me ba na ma me na onya ayarsa ni ahodi wa dade mo ache esa na etiti kula hunde minya me am sin film onko bebi o dadem hompi esa na
mfinhie num nie 5 solid years obabe ma ba akopɛ
sadem na jo ayia napa ni na o pie nko bebi anti aham
but me nya ntie se bi wo wa ultimate so hyedem na wosu menim se what se obabe ma hyedem a wosu pen a
yo junior ma akoso na tibia owo mo no na ne yura ho wosu
na wo ti so osu a eya den na ye so batan na wo hwe obey na nka first obefro wo phone so ma me be fie ma efie ti sen ma me ma send sika kakra ene wo bey wo mum anyare na ho mo amehwe wo na sese wo na wo hwe no sen na tie
ya me na ma ya kwala sese ya na wasuma me ko to we bra ko ya we me ba me ba suma no sese me ma da na no akwala se sana ha me hunde me nyam ko nyam na isra nyam so mana hode
Daniel Alubadek ne maame eno no awo ye fra osen Mary Asana sese wanya mfinshi ahe
ya ko school de
I will be at him so who was 65 mfinshi eduosia enum 65 years Daniel Alubadek ne maame ne sere Ghana for ketua bi ensa edu se ya eya na areho eya na areho pa se ene watiye osese se ono no wadane akwala koto nsuo breme yemfa ha yensene ha areho semi eno no na medikan ka che wo se Daniel nanfufuo bi eye aboafo sonko ensem bi se ye ba ya na emu odin ye ba na ne bra ba ko be a year and 5 months ago na eboa edu ba bia na ebiko na ebi aba edu ba bia na ebiko na ebi aba enamfo mienu yi minim kurade bia da omofre na udi nkomo Daniel situation na kodu say ye Daniel akoto hospital Daniel ayese maye no omni nkomo ebinum asem tooma obesra odakoro mienu a eno ano no ono ankasa ni ku ano odom aye te no dues a megidi say na kura sika na ye stop e kakra na samba en kura still omugusote ekura no ye ma mehwe no but ne namfofo wi afato omo to say so be pia ba bonten so ba beje mframa nyina no omo behwe Daniel obeko hospital Daniel obefa ni nru ne maame se ni mu ye ne ya obre ne nyonko no mayendi kan ene abrante Louis endi nkomo Louis apomte sen me gidi so onho ye de ede na hye wo nkran se wadamfo yi 24/7 tina ne nchen boa no cheche ne re na ka ne ho
Daniel my childhood friend.
Okay.
It's my first year in university na be papa.
Okay.
Ono koye first degree no GES na me ko university. You are say no untimi nkasa sema to onyonko nti be yi nama. So always me around obi na was say me ba na chen nipa ho wo abechiche. O hwe me situation. Wo mu ya I mean it's all the states for. So if you leave him, I don't drink kunipa.
Yeah.
So always I make sure that me ba you be bon komo, you be transit be waiting here to just rekindle his spirit. Because if you leave him, you be bang. Thought about to do you kasa o fi everyone is so you would have to coax him a little. As a woman of motivational words to at least to enthuse him. Nje madam fo me na nantia bitimo frasia bisine ebre si no adwen ba ya obe ne dey aba se empire boy is angel for mobile dikan no we did see results popping out, so we pray and hope say as we are buttressing it, we know where your catchment area reaches and how sensitive your entity is. So yedamo his peace is my peace.
Yeah.
His smiles are my smiles.
Louis mayenda wase ma mene menua be ma wensu ndi nkomo ono kra de me bae na odikan wadikan e wo fie ha deda ono ete ne nchen a omo ebo enkomo na empem bebre me ka se onyonko eda ena oda ebetimi ato enti uhu obi asem a eya na wanya abotere na watie mu ye tichani a oye adwuma enye se ofa akwati kwan so ose nkrata bi ese ne fata no otwere oye enkwala odo mo koy ebi famu tuwa nananom wonse do eye nyame ene di ni ho afofie anyame adom oda so etiase. This is our second coming here. Ye baha a year and 5 months ago enema bebre akoso but Angel 102.9 any Angel TV social media handles ni nyina obi anim say Angel ye fast story esi ye ho adwuma ekusi ye brain no wheelchair the second day ye ba ha Ora Alex Tete baby awo bia bitwa puse edawase papa we ankasa ne two car edi yachi ebe fix wheelchair no ewa ha mayen enenya me adom wanya electronic one a ode etwitwa ne ho nkakra ewo fie but the question is enkosi daben ena menua bema Daniel Alubadek obetna wheelchair mu onyongo papa nyango ponhira o ede ne kan Daniel da mo obi beka se mo taretare ne nchen mo cheche ne re uni adwuma ye ntia ana wo de onan ya wo we ntimi mfa nkobọbọ nti na ne o se aheya na mesore mba betena
yo no ba that's it na Dani de oye minua ekope dan phone ya isusu ana agokwa mabi wo ye ti ha ne ye bọbọ na mu ho na school sem nti ya papa mu kakra abri mu ho anche bia na metese asimu ya to sabe na me yadwuma ministry of water housing
okay
nti me ba ya no sata manya mra ma yes abri no mo anche le minya appointment as district coordinator for national service scheme nti me ba ya de minimi ya senior na ya tete no na ya kane no na ibi agro no sa pepepe na ya nei ya ba ya kwa arrechiche se
yeah
nti se bibi se atunia me nei bobo de na so ye nyina na ne yebo Jacoba ne sa ne wo se ye mitimi bana mbetete no re na mani kwa sese because mi didi se papa nyanku pon yo hata onu no ma bibia etutu di nti mi didi pa se ahoden de yinya menti sa be kadi na so yinya ma ye ne de na wo se abreni abribia ye ba ne ne no edi ye ensa wo so
menua ye da sepa ene Daniel Alubadek teacher ni a yesusu se ode nkwala ekọ Kintampo waterfalls 5 solid years ni infinhye enum ni na teacher ni ahye edem arehosem ene say still oguso etehwe mu still obedware a gise ye boa no oboafo ye hwana oboafo eye mene wo ya frame ama brakun ampofo aha eye Angel TV utie bi ewo radio so a eye Angel 102.9 uhwe bi ewo Facebook sanso ena uhwe bi ewo YouTube so a mepacho de meka nyina ne se emwa bi ese ne fata no mesrew fabra na menu mienu yemfa emwa menua be me se ye toiletries se ye sika bi ena opese wo de mana wo de oba Angel 102.9 a ye beje aboaboa no e de abre obi biara waboa Daniel Alubadek yesi nyankopon enhyiamo mi team a me do mo baaye eye chief technician atru braatru 1 braatru logoso ono a ena edi team nanim e de ye baaye ena DJ Fresh bra broni oba wanyage ba kokora okwan so ena chief driver bra Ben ena de ye baaye aha eye Eastern region Osino kraman so ba be ka obi enti kwa me na ene Kofi obaya the 2 years ene me hand over assign e de amamu